Today we have a video from Patrol Cam Live, and the title of the video is Dealer Jumps Out of Window During Police Chase.
On July 14th, 2025, an officer in Greenfield, Wisconsin stopped a brown Infiniti for a suspended registration violation. The driver was 39-year-old Benitez Medina, who was a convicted felon and had spent over 15 years in jail and prison for violent crime.
Well, sounds like you going back. Imagine spending 15 years of your life behind bars. Somebody got to tell you when to shower.
Good morning. Morning. I'm Officer Brian, Greenfield PD. We just have your registration suspended. Yeah, I know, dude. Got a bunch of parking tickets through Cudahy.
Yeah, not me.
Not you?
No, that says it's Angelique Cologne, my girlfriend.
Oh, it's okay.
Someone peeled up the 25 sticker off of her.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, the plates are coming back expired since 24.
Yeah, they're to a BMW truck.
Okay.
I just bought this. I have the title right here.
Yeah, you got the title on it? I'll take it from you.
That's not even registered, dude.
Okay. When'd you get it?
Like a month ago.
A month ago.
I'm still facing on it. You see the crashes in the front?
Yeah. How much you pay for it?
$1,100.
$1,100. Okay. Where you headed to now? You still on Ohio down there?
No, I'm Dish Avenue.
Oh, you're on Dish Avenue. Okay. All right, boss. Sit tight for me real quick, okay? Your license all good and everything? All valid? That you know of? What? Your license is all valid, everything, you know?
Sounds like a normal
3
interaction.
to 1. He's got first-degree RES and a bunch of firearm-related arrests. He just rolled his window back up. Yeah. Car doesn't list to the plates either, so we got to get his VIN. Mr. Medina? Hey, boss. I need to grab your VIN from you, because this is all scratched off. You want to do me a favor, step out for me?
Step out?
Yeah.
It's right there.
I know. I need you to step out, though.
I gotta step out what?
I'll explain to you once you step out. Just go ahead and step out for me real quick, okay?
Step out why, though?
I'll explain to you once you get out.
Why can't you tell me now?
Hey, Kyle tried to pull a fast one. I ain't gonna lie. He said, yeah, I need the VIN from you, so step out. What? The VIN is on the front. It's right there on the front left. If it's not there, then you know you open the car door and it's that sticker on right there on the side. He said, wait, why I gotta step out? It's right there. Yeah. Don't worry about that. I just need you to step out. Yeah, your day about to get fucked up, man. You better act right. That's all I can say. Before they get you together, man. Step out the car, man. You talk about, man, step out. We ain't trying to hear nothing else. Step out, man. Step out.
Because I'm going to tell you when you get out of the car.
We afraid for our safety.
Please, so please do so, sir. Please do so.
Here?
Just step out, sir.
What's going on, man?
I will tell you as soon as you step out of the car. Here's the deal. You're either going to step out or we're going to drag you out, and I really don't want to have to drag you out today, sir.
Well, what's going on, man? What the fuck?
I will tell
You either step out or we gonna get you together.
You once you get out of the car.
Girl, this is not even my car, bro.
I don't care that it's not your car. That's irrelevant to me right now. Please step out of the vehicle. Man? Please step out of the car.
Man, hell no, man. What's the fuck? No, I'm not, bro.
He's gonna take off.
No, I'm not, bro.
Step out of the car. Going.
Oh yeah. He wanna go back to jail. He got something in the car. It's the only reason someone would be taking off like that.
Got multiple warrants. Eastbound through the alley.
Oh, he's got warrants.
2-3. Coming back out the 20th, Brad. It's gonna go southbound 2-1 from Lake
he not even
Car's
going
gonna
on
have a lot of
smooth.
damage when he was driving through the alleyway here. We're gonna go
Smooth roads.
eastbound on Barnard from 2-1. Right on him here, speeds are about 60. He's got a lot of damage to his car. He's gonna go eastbound Halsey from 2-0, almost lost it.
6390, I'll do it.
We got positive, the back right passenger tire is gonna have a positive rat trap on it. Coming up to 18th here. Southbound on 18th from Halsey.
I would not want to be driving on these roads, man. Every pothole he hit is the vehicle is taking massive damage. Okay, you heard what the cop said. He said the vehicle got a lot of damage on it. Look, every time he hit a pothole, it looked like them streets is filled with nothing but potholes, man. Damn, what they spending their tax money on? Obviously not the roads. Where is this? The street doing massive damage to vehicles, boy. Uh-oh, pit maneuver. Oh, he missed it. He missed it. Oh, this shit's smoking. Oh, run him over.
Get on the ground!
Ran his ass over.
Get on the fucking ground! I'm gonna fucking catch you!
Woo, he said, I'm gonna catch you. Not I'm gonna tase you, I'm gonna catch you. Woo.
Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground! Yeah, that's right! Tell me.
Got his ass together.
Move your fucking hand. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Go get him up.
Roll towards me. All right, sit up. Sit up.
Phone and keys, phone and keys.
Got his keys. Hey, pull me over. Where's the car? What's wrong with the car?
Nothing's wrong with the car.
That's what
What's the fuck wrong with you now?
What?
Spread your feet. Take a seat.
I wonder what's in the truck or what's in the car.
6445.
Coke? Where's the keys? I gotta get into that. Go grab a baggie. Or a bag. Fuck yeah, dude. I think it's my first day. Yeah. Did they say something to us? That's what that was?
Just the 2 baggies and the money?
Medina was transported to the Milwaukee County Jail and charged with second-degree recklessly endangering safety, fleeing an officer, possession with intent to distribute cocaine, and resisting an officer. He was given a $10,000 cash bond, and he remains in jail, awaiting a plea hearing.
Crazy. Crazy. That's what I say, man. People that go to jail, most people are going to return. If you've been once, you have more people that have been to the prison multiple times than that have just been there once. It's a revolving door, man. It's a revolving door. You spent 15 years. 15 years of your life in a room that, you know, it's small. It's like your bathroom. If you got a small bathroom, you know, you spent your 15 years of your life in a spot like that, where someone has to tell you when you can shower, when you can go outside, when you can go to your appointments, when you can get when you could go to the store, right? When you can eat, toilet paper, everything, like when you can get a new toothbrush. And after spending 15 years going through that, having another grown man or woman tell you what you can and cannot do, you come out and do things instead of getting on the right track of life. You go down the wrong path to go back to that life. Don't understand it. People take their freedom for granted. People take freedom for granted. And then you doing dirt, you got dirt in the car, but you know the car is hot anyways. Like the car, he knows that the car, something ain't right with the car. So why would you even be driving around that? Especially if you're doing dirt. Don't make no sense. Don't make no sense at all. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.